It's only 11 a.m. on the 27th. And this is the back porch. Should put Omar out here. Couldn't even open the door to put Omar anywhere anyway. We're trapped. I'm not even going to be able to get to the library tomorrow unless someone comes and, you know, shovels us out. We can't. If we had an emergency, we'd be screwed. Literally. Except your emergency, I mean, you call 911, obviously, but I mean, it completely snowed in. It's only 11 a.m. Like, we're probably all across everywhere. Most places are going to get, like, 2 feet. Crazy, huh? I'm threatening to put Omar outside. I wouldn't be able to anyway. I can't even open anything. I said, Mom, should I put Omar outside? He'll sink in. I know, you can't go outside. And we're supposed to get more snow again on Friday. I don't even know if the snow's gonna, like, melt tomorrow. Like, probably not.